Welcome to Javed's English Academy. In this lesson, I will teach you gerunds and infinitives. Dear viewers, English learners have difficulty with gerunds and infinitives. They feel it hard to use gerund and infinitives in a sentence. Let me explain both gerunds and infinitives in this lesson. First of all, we will discuss gerund. Dear students, a gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions same as a noun. For example, running is fun. In this sentence, running is a gerund because it functions as a noun. In the second sentence, she is running. In this sentence, running is present participle of run. So we can say that gerunds are those verbs that function as a noun in a sentence. There are several examples of gerund. For example, we can say, I like cycling. In this sentence, the word cycling seems to be present participle, but it's not like that. It is gerund because it functions as noun in this sentence. Now let's discuss infinitive. The infinitive form of a verb appears as the basic form or with the word to. For example, dear students, when we see an infinitive, it seems as the basic form of the verb, but it's not like that. Now look at these three sentences. I can run fast. In this sentence, the verb can is a modal verb. It's a modal, and in this sentence, run is an infinitive. In the second sentence, I like to run. In this sentence, the verb like is the finite verb and to run is the infinitive in this sentence. And in the third sentence, I run a race. This run is the basic form of verb. It's not infinitive. Dear students, it's not easy to know why to use a gerund or an infinitive after a verb. ये लर्नर्स के लिए मुश्किल होता है कि कहाँ पे gerund का इस्तेमाल करें और कहाँ पे infinitive का इस्तेमाल करें. I am here to teach you where you can use gerund and where you can use an infinitive. Here are some examples. First one is, I suggested going to school. Here is another sentence. I suggested to go to school. Can you tell me which of these two sentences is correct? Yes, the first sentence, I suggested going to school, is correct because you can use gerund after the word or after the verb suggest. If the verb is suggest, you have to use gerund and not infinitive. If you use the infinitive after the verb suggest, then that is incorrect. Here are some more examples. For example, I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading. This is first sentence. And the second sentence is I enjoy to read. Can you tell me which of the sentence is correct? The first sentence with gerund is correct because you have to use gerund if the verb is enjoy. Here are some more examples. For example, I like running. I like running. Second sentence is I like to run. Now, can you tell me which of these two sentences is correct? Yes, both these sentences are correct because you can use gerund as well as an infinitive after the verb like. If the verb is like, you have your own choice. You can use a gerund as well as an infinitive. Now I will teach you some important tips that will help you to use gerunds in a sentence. First one is mostly gerunds are used after prepositions. For example, she is afraid of flying. If you can say she is afraid to fly, then it's incorrect. This is incorrect and this is correct. Here is the preposition of, and if there is preposition, you have to use gerund and not infinitive. Tip number 2. Usually gerunds are used when we are talking about an एक्टिविटी. अगर हम किसी एक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो आपको वहां पे जेरंड का इस्तेमाल करना है और इन्फिनेटिव का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I stopped smoking. If you say I stopped to smoke, then that is incorrect. This is incorrect and this is correct. अब मैं आपको जो तीसरी टिप बताने जा रहा हूं वो ये है कि कौन कौन सी ऐसी वर्ब है जिनके आगे आपको जेरंड का इस्तेमाल करना है, कौन कौन सी ऐसी वर्ब है जिनके आगे इन्फिनेटिव का इस्तेमाल होगा, और कौन कौन सी ऐसी वर्ब है जिनके आगे जेरंड का भी इस्तेमाल होगा और इन्फिनेटिव का इस्तेमाल भी होगा. सबसे पहले हम उन वर्ब्स की बात करें जिनके आगे जेरंड का इस्तेमाल होना चाहिए. यहां पे वर्ब है एडमिट, एडवाइस, अवॉइड, कंसिडर, डिनाई, डिस्कस, dislike, enjoy, finish, forget, imagine, mind, miss, stop, understand, and many more verbs. Now we will talk about those verbs after which you have to use only infinitives. यहां पे जो वर्ब है दैट इज एफोर्ड, एग्री, appear, arrange, ask, care, decide, learn, hope, manage, mean, offer, plan, and many more verbs. यहां पे कुछ और वर्ब्स ही जिनके आगे इन्फिनिटिव का भी इस्तेमाल होता है और जेरेंट्स का भी इस्तेमाल होता है. यही begin, continue, hate, like, love, prefer, start, remember, stop, and many more verbs. आज का जो ये वीडियो था ये मैंने कई स्टूडेंट्स की फरमाइश पे बनाया था, उनकी डिमांड पे बनाया था. सो दिस इज एनफ फॉर टुडे. दिस lesson is not only for the students of 8th, 9th, 10th, it's for the students of all classes. So enjoy it, watch it, and stay balanced. Bye.